Okay, myth first. Brown sugar isn't the healthy sugar. It's basically white sugar with a little molasses added back. Same core, sucrose. Calories? Nearly identical. Nutrients? Trace minerals are tiny. Don't move the health needle. So picking brown to be healthy is a myth. Now, let's compare what matters. Brown sugar, warm, caramel, toffee notes from molasses. White sugar, clean, neutral sweetness. Brown sugar, wetter. Locks in moisture, adds chew. White sugar, dries, crisps edges. Brown sugar, slight acidity, boosts browning, reacts with baking soda. Brown sugar in sauces, deep color, sticky barbecue glaze. White sugar in pan, lighter, cleaner caramelization. Brown sugar in coffee tea, molasses layer. White sugar in coffee tea disappears into sweetness. Light brown, less molasses, subtle caramel. Dark brown, more molasses, bolder flavor. Turbinado, raw, crystalline, slightly toasty. Demerara, raw, amber crystals, toasty flavor. Swaps, usually 1-for-1 by volume. Want chewier cookies? Use brown or mix. Want crisp? Use white. Storage, brown sugar clumps, keep airtight. Soften with bread or damp towel. Storage, white sugar stays loose and dry. Bottom line, choose taste and texture, not health. Love molasses warmth and chew? Go brown. Want clean sweetness and snap? Go white. Same sugar core, different kitchen superpowers. Use the one that makes your recipe sing.